Hey, what's up? Once again, it's your man Big John Restoration in Virginia Beach. Got another one for you. This one's another import, a 1999 Honda Civic. It came in white. Someone else previously molded in the side skirts and the back bumper. The customer said he bought it like that, and it was damaged. So he bought new side skirts, new front and back bumper kit. We had to install it, paint the vehicle black with the gold and red ice pearl in it. You can't really see it now, it's kind of cloudy outside. But he's also a die-hard Redskins fan. And what I mean by that is there was airbrushing done to the vehicle. The Redskins logo. And yes, that is paint, it's not a sticker. We also did the inside of the rims and did the red calipers as well. As y'all can see, the rear bumper and the side skirts are molded in. The front bumper isn't, just in case it has to come off for any reason. He's got brand new headlights and tail lights with the halos and the LED. One thing about this customer, all he wanted down the side was the Redskin colors, 2 pinstripes. He has no idea that we threw in the logo. Us at John's Restoration, we like to go to the extreme with the vehicle and take it to the next level. So that's exactly what we did. So instead of the pinstripe, we did the whole logo airbrush. Shout out to my man Chad, doing your thing once again. He got the new smoked out tail lights. There go that logo again. We're located in Virginia Beach, Virginia. The address is 5716 Princess Anne Road. 23462 is the zip code. And y'all know the number, 757-713-2277. Give us a call if you need something done. Like I said before, this vehicle needs a lot of work. His next step is to bring it back so we can do the interior, so the interior can match the outside. So you know, if we got the Redskins on the outside, we definitely got to put them inside. All the before pictures of this vehicle is going to be on John's Restoration. It's facebook.com/John's Restoration. And then it's facebook.com/John's Restoration 2 to become a friend. We have 2 pages. If you can't become a friend on John's Restoration, log on to John's Restoration 2 and click on and become a friend. We also got a like page coming out also. Not only do we do custom, we also do insurance claims, collision repair, spray and bed liners for trucks. We also do spray and bed liners for vehicles. If you wanted a system done in your vehicle in the trunk, we can spray the bed liner, Dynamat stuff in the trunk. Also the inside of the older vehicles as far as like rust and stuff like that. We specialize in pretty much any kind of vehicle, whether it's custom or bringing your vehicle back factory. We can also bring it back to the stock color. Everything doesn't have to be airbrushed or customized. It can always go back stock with the clean grown man look. Or you can do like this customer and myself and just go to the extreme, because he ain't done with this vehicle yet. This is only the beginning. He's got a lot more things he wants to do with it. 99 Honda Civic VTEC. He's got the fiberglass aftermarket hood on it. Y'all see the Redskin logo even on the license plate. Give us a call if we can assist you in any kind of thing as far as automotive. We also do interior. We also do stereo systems complete, or if you just want a CD player. If you even want a tape deck or an 8-track, we'll find that for you too. Just give us a call. And we also pick up vehicles. It's got to be reasonable. Within 400 or 500 miles one way, I'll come up that far. It's a little fee as far as gas and tolls and stuff like that. But we definitely got a 24-foot enclosed trailer. We can come pick your vehicle up, get it done, and deliver it back to you. Like I said, Facebook.com/John's Restoration. Facebook.com/John's Restoration 2 will have all the before pictures of this vehicle. It was white, and the center of the rims was like a grayish silver color. At John's Restoration, we also offer government employees and military financing, all ranks, all military, E1 and up. We can get you financed for a paint job, interior, stereo system, and rims. Whatever you qualify for, that's what we can do for you. So if it's not in your budget and you want to finance, we also do that as well. It's the 5th of November, 2011. I don't know if y'all can hear the wind, but it's kind of windy and cold out here. Also, if you're affiliated with a certain car club, give me a call, let me know. This way we can work out a package deal as far as you and the other club members getting your vehicles done. Because it's winter time now, so I know it's just down season for most of us, where everybody wants to spruce up or make over their vehicle. And a lot of people are in the military, so where the government financing and the military financing come in, that's perfect. Drop your vehicle off, get it done. We go over the plans, we can do it. Paint job, body work, interior, rims, tires, stereo system, rust repair, dents, dings, whatever it takes to have you winning first place trophies at shows next season. Because we got a few cars out there that every time they step up to the plate, they win trophies. Whether it's first or second, they win it. So definitely give us a call if that's in your ballpark and that's something that you decide to do over the winter time. Once again, my number is 757-713-2277. Give me a call. We can definitely get it done. John's Restoration. Who's next?